Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This soundbar is Philips Tab6309. It's 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, immersive DTS Visual X audio technology, 320 watts maximum audio power, deep bass, Bluetooth is 5.4, 4 equalizer mode, HDMI R connection and USB cable connectivity. It will help you to elevate your sound system with subwoofer and massive audio technology. It's simply better TV sound. It's a budget soundbar that supports Dolby Atmos, DTS Visual X. Despite its limited channel counts and slim design, it delivers a clean, punchy sound with plenty of detail and excellent positioning. The speech is clear, bass is well controlled, action on screen and sound is well connected, and stage is expansive. DTS Visual X transform your TV sound, bring you a visual 3D sound experience, a surround sound experience. You hear and feel the difference. HDMI ARC and Philips Easy Link. You adjust the volume, your TV remote control, or using the app. If you have Philips Ambient TV Easy Link function, it lets you use the remote control to switch between the sound bars, preset equalizer mode, adjust the bass and treble, etc. Connect easy, compatible with Bluetooth, LE enable, Stadia connection, have USB, audio in, optical, HDMI input. What we want to do is unbox this soundbar, check it out and see what is inside. This is the accessories, remote control, power cable, power cable, power cable, the battery, wall mount with the screws. So these are the power cables included in the packaging. This is the subwoofer. This is the subwoofer. Let's see what it looks like. This is the soundbar. This is ultra slim. Very slim indeed. See what it looks like. The front is closed. This is very light. And the ports on this side, so you have USB and HDMI on this port. On this end you have optical, aux, DC in is power cable. You also have the buttons on top switch it on and off from this button. This is the source. Bluetooth. Plus is for you to increase the volume. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. Front of this soundbar is closed. This soundbar is very light. And this is the subwoofer here. You can see the color and what it looks like. See the design, very light. To set this up, so depending on cable you want to use. So this is 3-pin. So you need to press the button here, then adjust it to remove. So put this one is 3-pin. And it's in. Now take this end of the cable, connect it to the soundbar, connect it to DC in, and it's in. Connect the soundbar to the power. Then take this cable, connect it to the subwoofer, go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, then plug it on to the power. Take the remote control, push the remote control down. Then put the battery provided. This is AAA battery. When you remove the cover for the remote control, on the right, the positive goes on the bottom, negative on the top. Then on the left side, positive goes on the top, negative on the bottom. Then slide the cover back up. This is the remote control. Showing us a red light here. So switch the soundbar on, and you can see the light is highlighting on the HDMI. So use the source to select Bluetooth. Showing us now Bluetooth. Depending on the device you want to use, you want to connect this using the mobile phone, go to the Play Store and install Philips app. So type Philips Entertainment app, Philips Entertainment. Open it up. This is Philips Entertainment app. Turn Bluetooth on, go to your setting and switch Bluetooth on. And the Bluetooth is on. Go back to the app. Tab6309. Select on it. Pair request. Press plus key on the speaker to enable this app to control. So you go to the soundbar and press the plus. This is now connected. This is now connected to the app, and from this app you can select sound style. It will show you movie, music, voice and stadium, and the bass and treble. If you toggle the bass all the way to the left, it will show you -5. If you toggle it to the right, it will show you +5 bars. Likewise the treble, if you toggle it all the way to the left side, it will show you -5. If you toggle it to the right, it will show you 5, which is the maximum treble. Then you go back, you can select sound dialogue. Surround sound is on. Auto volume, if you select auto volume, you can switch it on or off. You can also select night mode on. When you select auto volume, it's currently off. Advanced control, you can adjust AV sync, advanced sound control. Light control is on, you can adjust it. Source, you select source for you to select HDMI, EAC, Bluetooth, LE audio, Bluetooth, optical, USB, and audio in, etc. You can adjust the volume by toggling this to the left or right for you to adjust the volume. To connect this using Bluetooth, select the source, then select Bluetooth, select OK, then select music, It will show you go to the settings, then go to the settings, then scroll down and look for this device. This device is Philips Tab6309. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. And this is connected via Bluetooth. Now we're going to test the audio using Upbeat Sound. Go to my playlist, select. This is the audio. This is music. Dialogue Enhancement. So you can reduce the volume by tapping on top as well. You can increase the volume by tapping on the top. Remote. If you want to select the equalizer using the remote, we select the equalizer. It's showing us now 3 lights is voice, 1 light is stadium, 7 white lights is movie, 5 white lights is music. If you go to sound style, it will show you it's currently in music. This volume is 14 decibel. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is Philips Tab 6309 6000 series. Thank you.